Despite the All Kongba Road United Clubs organization AKURCO imposing a week-long road blockade along the Imphal to Yairipok road over the deteriorating condition of the road, the authorities have yet to address the issue. Co-convener of AKURCO, Saddam Surjit, expressed frustration over the lack of response from the relevant department. Exclusively speaking to SKTV News, pointed out that the Imphal to Yairipok road is in a dilapidated state and is highly accident-prone. The organization had met with the department concerned to repair the road at the earliest. However, despite several appeals, the departments have remained deafened. He said that the organization will meet the MLAs of 4 constituencies residing along the road to demand for immediate road repair. Surjit further cautioned for intense agitation if they fail to repair the road swiftly.
Ngasi dagi hauna akhoi yamna kanba khongjang changin na hana lambi asi kadang sathok chasin yahal lamba do akhoi ngasi dagi di lambi sida kariyuma makal amatagi gari amasung mi khongbok chapya ro na koi tingjana yamna kanba khongjang changjali yamna tuwa matamda akhoi gi khongjang asi mai pakna bagi da lambi asi bu phawraga chaliba kendra marigi honorable MLA jing jo koi kauraga koi gi masigi waroi silama purakna ba koi wari sana na bagi tangkak adu taunana ba koi numit koi hujik kupna khanajari aduga numit lama pungom dum hek lepaga koi maduju mya manda lakhok charak ngani masi puna makhi tawdringai da SKTV na lakpiduna lauriba WOC gi hek thangnaba mikup tagi di masi hek tabi ba MLA minister aduga leiba ki phamnai ba yaitong kamdong ba department gi mari le na puna mangna akoi gi asaw ba ji thabak to onthok tuna hena yamna jathi ba hingsa gi thabak crime kya satrak tingai da lambi asibu athu matam da sengbani aibagi insurance adu pibi na ba amukka sona aroi boina appeal tawjari